Hello and welcome back. Let's try this Diamond Explosion Christmas Tango on Crown Coins one more time. Try to tango us some luck. Feeling festive, got that Christmas spirit. Show us a diamond or a bonus. Diamonds or a bonus. Not 3 diamonds, we need 6 diamonds. Or 3 grenades. Seems like the Wild are working towards some collective bonus or something. Decent little Santa hit. Come on. Let's get in there early so that we don't have to stress and hope that we get one by the end. Good one. Little $5 line hit. It's keeping us about break even. A bonus would take us a little above. I think that's what we need and want. Come on, Tango Explosion. First 50 were pretty good to us. Let's hope we can get some luck in the last 50. Just a little bit more luck. Come on, just give us the diamonds. Get us in there. Oh, so close. Not bad, not bad. Oof. Come on. Show us some love. Come on. Ah. You got 4 right off the rip. They can't drop 2. Come on. 1. Ah. Getting desperate, getting down to the last straws. It can't be that hard to drop a couple grenades for me. Don't make me come back a 3rd day just to see what this Tango's all about. Come on. Ah. Come on. No luck, it seems. We'll try another day of this Tango explosion, and then we'll try something else. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time.